Hello, boys and girls. So today for your optional math activity, you are going to be doing this activity called Shapes and Spinners Graphing. And when you click on the link that will show up underneath the image of the game, so you're going to click on the picture, not on this video, but on the picture next to it, there will be a link that shows up underneath it. You're going to click on that. And then when it takes you to this page, here is the directions. And the directions say the student spins the spinner, and then it's your job to say what shape you landed on. Then you're going to find the shape over on the left-hand side of the screen here. The top one's a circle, the next one's a hexagon, then a rectangle, a rhombus, a square, and a triangle. So whatever shape you spin, you're going to click on that and you're going to drag it to the box at the bottom of the column for that shape. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. So then you're going to continue to spin and drag and drop until one column is filled, okay, all the way to the top. And then you're going to have talk about which one you had the least of. You can also do some math as you're doing the spinning. Which one is first place, which one's second place, which one's third place, all great things to talk about while you're playing this game. So do you see where my arrow is? If I go clear down to the bottom, there are 2 pages. And we've done this before in other activities, but you want to click on this second page. It says change page. And here we are at the game. And this is what they mean by, because it's called shapes and spinners, here's your spinner. So you're going to click on that. And if I was one of the players, I would say square. And then I would go over here and I would grab one of these squares and I would drop it into the bottom of this column that's going to be squares. And they're all kind of dotted. So then I'm going to spin again. Oh my goodness. It's another square. So 1 plus 1 is how many altogether? Now I have 2 purple squares. Ooh, that one's pretty much on the line. So I'm going to spin again. And that one is a triangle, just barely, but it looks like it's just on the side. So I'm going to grab one of these orange triangles, drag it over, and drop it in the bottom. So far I have the most squares, and there's lots that I have the least of, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes that I haven't even spun yet. Okay, there's a rectangle. So what color is the rectangle? That's right, it's red. So I'm going to drag and drop it there. That is a rhombus. The rhombuses are green. Drag and drop. Okay, so I still have the most squares. Ooh, now I have 2, and 1 more makes how many altogether? 1, 2, 3. So you get the idea. There's another rhombus. 1 rhombus plus 1 more rhombus is 2 rhombuses altogether. So it's a pretty fun game. I wonder which one of your shapes is going to win. Which one of the shapes is going to get second place and which one is going to get third.